Biodiversity. Biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth.
In the air,
In the water, on the land, everywhere. Plants, animals, humans too. Microbes, fungi, small but true. They live together, side by side, creating ecosystems where all reside. Biodiversity is really essential for the health and the stability of our planet. Today, we present a choral speaking performance to celebrate and raise awareness about the importance of biodiversity. Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to judges, students, and the community.
Why is biodiversity so great?
It gives us food, air, and water. It keeps the earth in perfect order.
the predator hunt.
The prey evade, a delicate balance in nature's grand parade.
But wait, what's happening?
Deforestation, pollution, climate change, extinction.
The balance is breaking. Animals are vanishing. Forests are dying.
And we are to blame. But better late than never. It's time to change for a better future.
I think planting a tree.
How about clean the sea?
We can also save the bees.